Welcome to the E.W.S Orion Data Portal. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to create soft sensors and apply a basic calibration in Orion. To create calibrations, you'll need to have the calibrator user role applied to your Orion account. If you do not have these permissions, please talk to your E.W.S rep or accounts manager. Raw sensors are created at device level and are automatically added to Orion's channel screen when Orion receives the latest transmission. Soft sensors are created manually on Orion and references data from raw or soft sensor channels. Calibrations are mathematical or logic expressions that can be applied to sensor channels. In best practice, these are applied to soft sensors to turn raw data into meaningful data. They can be simple conversions of pressure to meters head, or more complex, such as converting a depth to water measurement to a relative level, or moderately complex conditional statements for cumulative flows. To create a new soft sensor, click the Add Soft Sensor button at the top right hand side on your channel screen. Select your channel type, enter the name, select the base sensor or the sensor that you would like to reference data from, then click the Save icon. Next, we'll add a calibration. Click on the calibration page and select the soft sensor channel that you want to add a calibration to. You can start a new calibration from a template by searching existing templates from the drop-down list, or you can create your own from blank. You can name your calibration in the group name field. In this example, we'll use offset RL. By clicking Add a Condition, you can create a new step using a date, time or value and check the current value against one of the condition statements. You can also delete the step by clicking the trash bin icon. By clicking Add Action, you can create mathematical steps. You can set your own value, bring in the value from a raw sensor or soft sensor, or use the value from a previous step. To create our simple offset, we'll select Sensor Value, select the raw water level, then add to a new value and type in the desired offset value. In this case, let's use 10. We can add helper text by clicking on the exclamation mark. You can then name your variable in the menu on the right hand side. Notating your calibrations can be a helpful tool to keep track and remember how the key parts of your calibrations work. Once finished, hit Save. Calibrations can take a few minutes to take effect depending on the amount of data affected. The last step is to check the data being calibrated. Go to the sensor data and select the raw channel. Then select the soft sensor. Here you can see that the soft sensor is 10 meters higher than the raw and has correctly been adjusted. Hope you enjoyed this brief overview of how soft sensors and calibrations are handled in Orion. Please check back in on the E.W.S YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products in the near future.